pioneer enterprise specialized in PTFE coated fasteners. PTFE coating provides excellent non-stick properties. These materials can operate at 260 degrees centigrade. They can stand up to the corrosive atmospheres prevalent in many industries like petrochemicals, offshore, chemical and refinery projects. Fasteners are available in various specifications and sizes. Also, different coating options are also available. Why PTFE coating? The answer is simple. Because of corrosion resistance, low friction, consistent tensioning, ease of installation and removal, and improvements in efficiency.